Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make strawberry shortcake. Okay, so let's combine the flour, the baking soda, and baking powder in a medium sized bowl. And then kailangan sifted yung flour. And then set aside natin for later use. Then gamit tayo ulit ng large bowl para i-beat natin yung ating butter and sugar. So, i-beat lang natin siya into medium speed, about 2 minutes. Hanggang maging light and fluffy siya. Okay, so when you see it's light and fluffy, just add the egg whites and vanilla. And then, beat natin for 1 minute sa medium speed. Kailangan wag lalagpas ng 1 minute yung ating pagbe-beat. Then, yung texture ng butter, mag-change siya. It will become thicker and a little curdle. Then, tsaka natin i-add yung ating 1/3 of flour mixture. Yung ating dry mixture kanina. Little by little. So, 1/3 lang ang inyong idadagdag. And then, i-mix natin siya ng ating mixer. And then, maglalagay tayo ng half of the fresh milk. Yung ating half na measurement ng fresh milk. Ang dali, alternate lang natin yung paglagay. Milk, and then yung ating flour mixture, and then milk ulit. And then, mag-e-end kayo sa flour mixture until na mag-incorporate na yung lahat ng ating ingredients. So, just scrape down the sides of the bowl kung kailangan. So, kailangan glossy ang kakalabasan ng ating butter. Like that. And then, mag-prepare na kayo ng baking pan. So, I'm using 9-inch baking pan. So, just grease them. And then, put some parchment paper. And then, i-divide natin into 2. So, it depend yun sa laki ng cake na gagawin nyo. Kung meron kayong 8 inches na pan, pwede nyo ilagay doon. So, supposedly, ang gagawin ko is a 3-layer cake, but I'm gonna make only 2-layer cake. Okay, so, set natin yung ating oven into 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, i-bake natin yung ating cake na 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so scrape lang natin yung papantayin natin and then bake it. Okay, so we have to check ng toothpick para makita natin kung ready na yung ating cake. Okay, so ayan, it's ready na. So this is a 9-inch cake. Yan. So mas maganda kung meron kayong ganyang klaseng parchment paper na hinahawakan na lang sa gilid. Then, ito yung the second one. So, yung isa mas malaki. Yung akin second cake is malaki. Okay, so let's prepare the fresh fruit. So, we're gonna use fresh strawberries. I-hull natin siya and then wash muna natin siya thoroughly, no? Kasi medyo madumi ang strawberry. And then, cut natin into half. And then set aside. We're gonna use that for filling and for decoration. I'm gonna make a whipped cream frosting. So combine heavy cream and confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. And then in high speed, i-beat lang natin siya ng at least 6 to 8 minutes hanggang maging light and fluffy or maging stiff na yung ating heavy cream. So pagka naging stiff na siya, hindi na siya i-try nyo kung ano na siya yung medyo steady na at saka nyo na i-stop yung pag-beat ng or pag-mix ng ating heavy cream. Okay, so when it's stiff like that, so scrape down lang natin siya, and then we're gonna transfer the icing into a piping bag. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng tip. Ilagay ko na lang dyan sa picture. So if you don't have a big one, you may use yung medyo maliit, yung 1M lang. Then, lagay natin yung ating whipped cream sa ating bag, piping bag. And then, kung hindi nyo pa siya magagamit, kaagad, right away, ilagay nyo muna sa fridge para hindi siya mag-melt. Okay, so ipe-prepare na natin yung ating cold vanilla cake. Okay, so it's time to assemble the cake. If you have a cake stand or plate or a lazy Susan, you may use that. So in my recipe, I made like 2 9-inch round vanilla cake, but I'm only gonna use one kasi mas malaki yung isang nagawa ko. Mas maraming butter nilagay ko sa isang pan. Okay, so I just cut it into half or cut it into 2. And then yung ating first layer, just put it in the bottom. You know, maglagay kayo ng cake board. And then place your first layer of cake on your cake stand. And then gagamit tayo ng cake what do you call it? Cake color. So itong cake color ay ginagamit din yan sa paggawa ng mga cheesecake or yung mga cake na nag-hold doon sa ating icing. And then kung may gusto nyong makita yung design, that's why ginagamit yan. So mabibili niyo yan sa Amazon or bakery supplies. So just line up your strawberry around the cake color or around the cake. Ayan, ikot lang natin yan. And then yung the rest na in-slice natin na quartered fresh strawberries, ilalagay natin sa middle. So yun yung mas maraming strawberries in the middle, mas maganda. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating whipped cream frosting on top of the strawberry. Not that much, kasi ilalagay pa natin yung other layer of vanilla cake. Okay, and then you're gonna press it down. Ayan, press down natin siya. Kasi dapat hindi siya pantay dun sa ating cake color para malagay pa natin yung remaining na frosting. So, just add some more whipped cream frosting on top of the cake. Yan, around the cake. At saka natin i-smooth yung ating frosting using the spatula. Okay. It doesn't need to be really perfect or very smooth. Basta pantayin lang. Pantayin nyo lang. Kasi gagamitan pa natin siya ng icing comb. Para meron siyang design. Okay. So, pagka napantay na natin siya, with our spatula, gagamit na tayo ng icing comb. Okay, so use the remaining frosting to decorate your cake. You can decorate whatever you like, but I just want it to be simple, like this, just on the side. And then we're gonna put we're gonna add some fresh strawberries on top of the cake. Okay, so before that, para maging nice and shiny yung ating fresh strawberries, para mukhang fresh na fresh din talaga. Gagamit tayo ng glaze. So, I used apricot jam, just 1 tablespoon and then a tablespoon of water. And then, i-mix lang natin siya para yun ang ating ibabrush doon sa ating fresh strawberries. Okay, so let's go back to our cake. Ayan, so just, gusto nyong maglagay ng strawberries around the cake, it's up to you. But I just want it to be very simple and elegant like that. And then, ibabrush lang natin ng glaze, ng apricot glaze, para maging shiny siya. Para parang fresh. So, kung i-regalo nyo yan, medyo okay pa yung strawberries. Kasi yung strawberries, madaling mag-wilted siya. Yan. So, you can add more strawberries in the middle. So, it's up to you. Whatever design you like. But I just want it to be like that. Okay, so gawa ng ating strawberry shortcake. Ayan, so isn't it nice, 'di ba? Nice and elegant. Ayan, very simple lang siya. So ayan, kung ayaw niyo naman hindi naman kayo makagawa ng vanilla cake from scratch, pwede kayong bumili ng angel food cake. Pwede rin yung gamitin 'yon para gumawa ng strawberry shortcake. So, bumili lang kayo ng fresh strawberries and whipped cream. Ayun, meron na. Okay, so I hope you like the video for today. And thank you guys for watching.